whoever gave that tip this morning saved a life, or lives.
Deputies say a Live Oak Junior High student brought a handgun to school Wednesday morning. They wouldn't say how old the student was or identify them, but we were told the student didn't make any threats. Sheriff Jason Ard says they are still investigating the student's motive, so no charges have been filed yet.
A lot of rumors out there right now. It doesn't look like she was there to harm anyone, which is kind of hard to believe because it's a handgun on campus. But I'm sure there was a motive for something, and we're trying to work through all that information now.
Sheriff Ard wants to reassure parents that his agency and the school took swift action in preventing any potential tragedy.